Hey guys, this is probably the first time I've actually talked in one of my videos, the third video actually. I haven't uploaded much videos on my channel yet, so it's not like some famous channel yet or anything. So today I'm just going to be playing with the animals. That's Ruby. Hi. Yeah, we have chickens and sheep and pigs. I have some favorite sheep. Let's go and see the sheep. This one is Addie. She is sweet. My second favorite girl. Yeah, such a sweet girl. This is Millie, my favorite girl. She's the sweetest. She makes a little tail. Yeah. And my favorite chicken, the only adult rooster we have, is Donald. This guy right here. He is very nice. Probably the only nice rooster we've ever had. He'll let you do everything to him. He'll let you like touch his gobble for some reason. I mean, he doesn't act like he loves it or anything, but he lets you do this. And he's a great rooster. I'm not going to show you the pigs, really. I'm not going to go near them because they're not really my favorite animals, so yeah. We are going to go see the chicks that we have. They're more like young chickens now. Like they've gotten all their feathers out, so they're like young chickens now. There they are. Hey little chicks. Yeah, they're not really little anymore. And that gold one right there is the mom. She's been a great mom. Raised them really nicely. We have 6 of them. Like, yeah, if you count, there's 6. Not including the mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And sadly, we hatched out 4 roosters and 2 hens. I know that's a lot of roosters, and I'm hoping that they're all gonna be nice. And if you're wondering what just fell in front of the camera, that was a leaf. It's turning fall right now, so. And it's a mess out here because there's ducks. You probably hear them in the background. They make a mess, so yeah. Well, I think I gotta go, guys. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't. Millie's talking. And if you want to comment, feel free to I don't know. Feel free to comment what you think about this video, and bye guys.